At the IMS, we are presenting a very large pool analysis of MRD assessment in the TOURMALINE-MM3 and MM4 study. Maintenance studies of Ixazomib versus placebo in transplant-eligible MM3 and transplant-ineligible MM4 clinical trials. This study is important because it is one of the largest studies of MRD assessment, also because it is in the maintenance setting and there is yet scarce data about MRD in the maintenance setting, and there is a particular singularity, which is the fact that because of the trial design, there was randomization into Ixazomib versus placebo, in other words, observation, which allow us to collect and analyze MRD data in patients that are not receiving maintenance either during a fixed duration of time or until disease progression. And this data was lacking in the field. In this very large study, we showed that measuring MRD at a single time point might be informative in terms of prognostic for PFS and also overall survival, but is clearly superseded by MRD dynamics, because those patients showing MRD reappearance during maintenance or observation have the same poor prognosis as those patients that never achieved an MRD negative result. We also show that patients achieving MRD negative with Ixazomib achieve the progression-free survival that was superimposable to those patients that were already MRD negative at the time of study enrollment, which suggests that MRD negativity may be considered as an endpoint of maintenance therapy.